If you struggle with your workouts, you need systems that help you plan your workouts, plan your meal plans, track progress, and store different resources. And in this video, I want to show you my Notion system called Ultimate Fitness Planner that helps you plan your workouts, plan your meals, and track progress. So the first part of the system is a dashboard, and inside the dashboard you can see days of the week, your goals related to your fitness activities, and also weight track progress. So in this weight track progress, you can see your weight over a period of time, and you can easily add new entries just by pressing this button, add new entry. And then, well, here you have your goals in different states. And if you go inside day of a week, here you can see meal planning section for this day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and you can configure this however you like. For example, if you have like 5 times per day meals, you can configure that with the template. And also workout planning. So here you can plan your workouts for this day of the week. And if you press this button here, synchronize, or this button here, mark as completed, it will push this data to calorie tracking. So if you go inside this calorie tracking section, you'll see here entries over a period of time with a date, meal, total calories, total carbs, protein, and fats. And also it will push data to workout history. So here you can track your workouts over a period of time. Then the system has a section where you can store different exercises and also where you can plan your workouts. And later you will use these workouts to plan your days. So you connect these workout plans to your days of the week. The Ultimate Fitness Planner has a section where you can store and manage your recipes. So here you can track all your recipes and categorize your recipes, for example, high protein. And here you have all recipes in this high protein category. And inside the recipe, you can manage calories, protein, carbs, fats, and total cooking time. And of course, the recipe itself below. And also the Ultimate Fitness Planner has a section where you can journal and take notes. So this is simply a section for journaling and notes and just like how did your workout go. And also the fitness planner has a section where you can manage educational resources, for example, cooking videos or some exercises, how to do exercises with the resource type, URL to the resource. And for example, if you want to archive it, just check this checkbox to archive. And lastly, the Ultimate Fitness Planner has a section where you can manage your expenses related to your fitness activities, for example, gym memberships. So this system is designed to help you manage your workouts, manage your meal plans, easily visualize everything on a dashboard with days of the week. So you can just go inside day of a week and see everything that you need to do today related to your meals and your workouts. And track progress, track weight progress, and track history, calories, and workout history, and additional resources, additional sections to manage resources and journal. So yeah, and this system is available at Grease Templates Marketplace. I will leave the link in the comments to this video so you can check it out yourself.